Today I'm gonna show you how to use free internet. First of all, you need WhatsApp. Then open WhatsApp. The channel link is in the description for faster. Now click on my channel like this, and on the channel download this file here, DM personal files. Download it. Now click to open and open with HTTP custom. This HTTP custom is found on Play Store. Now click on connect. After click on connect, it's connecting, and wait some minutes because it's loading before connect. Now you are ready to use a free internet. The file is connected. So we want to prove with you so that you can trust me. Now let's use phonics, then search and type some words here so that you can prove like this. Then searching and loading. Boom! It works 100%, guys. And this is the clear station now you can use free internet. So if you have been buying data, this is the time you use free internet. Follow me on my WhatsApp channel for more files because I create files expire for 1 day. You need to buy only 20 data and then use for 24 hours, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more files.